So let's think about it. So let's think about it. How many of us actually support the type of knowledges we take? How many of us think practical knowledge is important? And how many of us think theoretical knowledge is important? So we'll actually take an overview so we actually know what they actually are. So coming to theoretical knowledge is the knowledge that is gained through facts by conceptualizing it and imagining it and understanding what it is all about. It is not a bad thing until people try to rote learn it. Coming to practical knowledge. Practical knowledge is the knowledge gained through hands-on activity. It is said that people retain 70% of what they do by themselves, and all types of skills are practical knowledge. So practical knowledge and theoretical knowledge are both very crucial as none of them can survive without the other. And theory is supplemented by practical work, and practical work is of no use if the base of theory is not well prepared. So there are two groups, the theoretical people and the practical people. So there's an age-old battle between them. So there's practical knowledge and theoretical knowledge, academics versus real life experiences. Both of them have complete disdain for each other, and the practical people think that the theoretical people are a bunch of waste cases who think that who sit in the hermit caves and read books and think the universal solution to all life problems is to read books, while the theoretical people think that the practical people are a bunch of people who go bawling about in the sufferings of their ignorance. So both of these are extreme cases, but I have my own opinion. I think both of them are right, but let's take an example. So there were two scientists who wanted to learn about the world. So one of them thought that he should understand what others had done before him. So he went and spent most of his time at the library, while the other decided to experiment right away. So he spent most of his time at the lab. So who do you think will accomplish maximum? Remember the first one who spent his time at the library? Well, you can certainly argue he's learning a lot, but how much is he accomplishing? Like all the knowledge he has gained will go with him to the grave. While the second one, he's doing something that all others and thousands of others have been doing it before him. Well, let's take a relevant example. We all have studied about plants in our school life, right? We learned about the parts of the plants like petals, fruits and flowers. But did we actually realize about what it is right now that until we actually felt or touched them? No. So what's the whole lesson about it? It is not a question about which is more important, practical knowledge or theoretical knowledge. It is the question that how we can utilize them for the optimal results. Ask yourself what you are doing, what you want to do better. And take others' experiences before you and use them. If you ever have searched the Google Scholar website, you might have noticed a quote, standing top on the shoulders of giants. So this quote is very important and I think one of the most inspirational quotes for me. It actually means that understanding what others have done before you and acting on it. It basically means you get a head start over others who start from base. So this is how you can be unique, better and smarter than others by getting a head start and using everything that has been done before you. Thank you.